Check out this AI-powered YouTube channel, Car Care Clues, with 88.8K subscribers and just 71 videos. This channel is pulling in serious numbers. YouTube channels with over 100K subscribers can easily make $20,000 to $30,000 per month through AdSense revenue, brand deals, and affiliate marketing. And according to Social Blade, Car Care Clues is already making over $10,000 per month from ad revenue alone, which means a channel like this could replace a full-time job. But here's what makes it even crazier. Over 30 of their videos have crossed 100K views, and some have even hit the million mark. That's the power of AI. And in this mini course on DeepSeek AI, I'll show you exactly how to build a channel like this from scratch, even if you have zero experience. We'll cover everything: finding viral topics, writing engaging scripts, and editing videos using AI tools. So grab some popcorn, sit back, and watch this video till the end, because we're about to break it all down step by step. Let's go. The first step to making AI-powered YouTube videos is finding the right topics. Now you might be wondering, where can you find high-performing topics that actually get views? Let me show you exactly how to do it. First, take a successful channel in your niche. Let's use Car Care Clues as an example. Start by copying all the details of the channel, its name, description, and content strategy. Once you have that, head over to DeepSeek AI and paste the copied information. And boom, DeepSeek AI will instantly analyze everything: the type of content this channel creates, how long it's been active, what niche it belongs to, the kind of topics it covers, the average video length, and much more. With this data, you'll have a crystal clear idea of what works best in this niche. I've created a Word document with detailed prompts designed specifically for DeepSeek AI. Inside the Word document, there are pre-written prompts that will generate high-performing video topics, along with example topics and even suggested thumbnail text. I am simply going to copy the first prompt from the Word document and paste it into DeepSeek AI. This prompt is structured to give you exactly what you need. It explains the type of topics to generate, includes example topics, and even suggests attention-grabbing thumbnail text. Now just hit enter and let DeepSeek AI do its magic. Now sometimes DeepSeek AI might not generate results on the first try. If that happens, just try again. Once it processes the data, you'll get a list of 50+ video topic ideas, along with perfect thumbnail text that will attract clicks. As you can see on my screen, the topics DeepSeek AI generates are exactly what we need, and even the thumbnail text follows the style I specified. Apart from using DeepSeek AI, there are other ways to find trending topics that will keep your content fresh and engaging. One of the best ways is to stay updated on the latest car trends. New models, industry changes, and emerging technologies always attract views. Another great approach is researching common problems that car owners face, things like engine issues, maintenance tips, and fuel efficiency hacks. People are always searching for solutions, and if you can provide valuable insights, your videos will perform well. You should also explore important things to know before buying a car. Buyers often look for guidance on which models offer the best value, what features to look for, and how to avoid scams. Videos on these topics tend to get a lot of engagement. Now, if you're not a car expert, don't worry. You can still create high-performing content by checking out other successful channels in the automobile niche. Take inspiration from their videos, see which topics are working well, and find patterns in what consistently gets views. By following these steps, you'll never run out of viral video topics. Now that we have our topics ready, let's move on to the next step: writing scripts. You'll need a well-written script, but how will you write it? Will you research everything manually, watch tons of videos, and spend hours collecting information? No. When we have AI, why waste so much time? To write scripts quickly and efficiently, you'll use DeepSeek AI. Here's what you need to do. First, choose a topic from the list we generated earlier. Then, go to my Word document, where I have a specially designed prompt for generating detailed, high-quality scripts. I'll copy that prompt and paste it into DeepSeek AI. Once I paste it, DeepSeek AI will create a perfect script for the video within seconds. But wait, before I do that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I put in a lot of effort to create these resources, so your work becomes super easy. Alright, in just a few seconds, DeepSeek AI will generate a well-structured script with a perfect intro, all the necessary information, a strong outro, and even stock footage suggestions to match the video. But hold on, don't just copy and paste it like a robot. Make small edits, tweak a few words, and add extra information to make the script unique. This way, the video won't sound exactly like others, using the same AI-generated scripts. You can also find tons of websites related to cars where you can get detailed and up-to-date information about the latest models. Make sure to add some extra details from your side to make the script more informative and engaging. And that's it. The script is now ready to go. Now that our script is ready, it's time for the voiceover. For this, I'll use 11 labs. First, I'll click on the text-to-speech option, then paste the script here. On the right side, I'll click on the voice artist's name to search for a voice that fits the video's style. Once I find the perfect one, I'll click on Add to Voice. After that, I'll adjust the settings, tweaking stability, style exaggeration, and similarity to make it sound just right. Once everything is set, I'll click on Generate Speech.
Imagine this. You're driving down the highway and suddenly your car starts shaking. Smoke pours out of the hood.
If I like how it sounds, I'll finalize the voiceover. But if it doesn't feel perfect, I'll tweak the settings and generate it again until it's exactly how I want it. And that's it. Now we have a high-quality AI-generated voiceover ready to go. Let's move on to the next step. Now we have the script and the voiceover ready. Next, we need to find the right visuals to create the video. You need to go through your script and collect relevant images, as in footage, for each part. For example, in my topic, I first need broken car footage and a clip of a car being driven. You can find these on free stock websites like Pexels and Pixabay. Next, my script talks about the Toyota Corolla, so I will download some images of this car from Google. Then I will go to YouTube and search for video footage of the car. You can often find high-quality clips on the official YouTube channel of the car brand. You can use these clips, but make sure not to use any single clip for more than 5 seconds. Also, mute the original audio and add text and effects to avoid copyright issues. Repeat this process for all scenes in your script, collecting all necessary images and videos. Now let's move on to the final step, editing. For editing, I will be using CapCut. First, drag your voiceover, background music, and the clips you will be using to make the video. For this, I am using a single clip just as an example to show you. After dragging your clips, you are going to adjust the volume for better clarity and adjust the volume of the background music. Keep the music low so that the voice is clear. Now you can add effects from the Effects panel by clicking on Effects at the top. You can browse through them and add whatever you like. You can also add filters if you want to from the Filter tab, and make any additional adjustments as needed. To add text in the video, click on the Text option. From here, click on the Default Text option and drag it into the timeline. You can also browse through custom-made templates, which allow you to add text according to your own choice of style. But for now, in the default text, I will be teaching you how to edit text. On the right-hand side, the text panel will open. From here, you can select the color, position, opacity, animations, and many more options to customize your text. You can play with these settings and figure out what suits best for you. You can also animate the video if you want. There are many options available in CapCut. If you're using clips from another YouTube channel or a copyrighted website, make sure to modify them properly by adding overlays, text, or effects to avoid copyright issues. Finally, once everything is done, export the video, and it is ready to go. Now that the final video is ready, the last step is to upload it to YouTube. After your video is uploaded, the next step is making money from it. The first way is YouTube ad revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can start earning from ads.